Today I'm gonna be showing you around the farm, and so you might hear goat noises in the background, but that's just our goat. So here is chicken coop number 1. Can see these chickens are in here. Okay, then moving on. In here, there's some birds in here. This is the Quonset. There's birds in here. You can see there's some peacocks in here. Need more water, I'll give it to them later. So they're in there. Hey, here's another chicken coop. This is a nice one. There's some chickens in here. They're just hiding in their chicken coop right now. There is chickens. So, and also there's some peacocks and chickens and pheasants and stuff in here. They're also in the cooping part. And of course, here is our calves. This one right here is Tacolina. This one's Taco. Don't have any bobbles for you guys. So they're going. There's some chickens in here. Also, we have a pastoral, there's a turkey. And also we have a pasture all around our property with cows in it. So that's our tour. Hope you like it. Bye.